Hi guys, welcome to Pabbly Connect workshop. So in this video we will learn how to integrate Google Task to Trello. Our use case is pretty simple. When a new task is made in Google Task, it will create a new card in Trello. Now Google Task is an awesome list management software and Trello can be used to build online cards. So what we are going to do is we are going to send the data from Google Task to Trello. But there's one minor problem. There is no actual integration between Google Task and Trello. In cases like these, we need to bring a third app to connect them both. So in this video, we will use Pabbly Connect to integrate Google Task and Trello. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming language. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen.
Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com. Press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. So hover on products and you will find the option called as connect at the bottom. Click on connect. Then click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can create your free account in just 2 minutes. Here I would like to mention one more thing, that Pabbly Connect offers a plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your own account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box. Actually, I would insist that you try this automation with me. It's actually pretty fun. Okay, so scroll down and here you will find the option called as connect. Click on access now. Then at the right corner, you will find a button called as create workflow. Click this. Okay, so a dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as Google Task to Trello. Then click on create. When you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. Now in the choose app, we want to select as Google Task because we are going to send the data from Google Task. So in the trigger window, we are going to select the choose app as Google Task. In the choose method, since we are interested in sending the data when a new task is created, let's keep the trigger as new task. Okay, so new task is basically a trigger. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger? Trigger is a if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new task is created, then what action should be taken by the system? Actually, there is one more trigger like new task list. However, in case if you don't find the trigger of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to make. But at present, I want to send the data when a new task is made in Google Tasks. So I'm keeping the choose method as new task. Then click on connect with Google Task. In new credentials, just click on this blue button, connect with Google Task. Okay, so these are the series of email accounts I have. So I am interested in the task in this account. So I'm going to click on this. So it is asking me to confirm my choice. Just click on allow. Okay, so it is showing the authorization is successful. Just click on OK. So as you can see in the task list, it is showing my task. Okay, so let's expand this. So these are the tasks I have: red, blue, pink, and supreme. The reason it is showing is because, let me show you my task. So this is my Google task and these are the tasks I have: red, blue, pink, and supreme. So basically it is asking, out of these mentioned task list, which one of them you want to integrate with Pabbly Connect. So which one of them you want the data to be sent. Okay, so I'm interested in sending the data from this task list called as the pink. Okay, so just let me show you. I have a pink list. Okay, so this is my pink list and it has tasks called as balloon filling and ice cream eating. So I want to send the data from pink list to Pabbly Connect. So to do that, just click on save and send test request. Okay, so as you can see, the API response is showing the title as balloon filling. The reason it is showing is because the recently created task is of balloon filling. In the pink task list, the recently made task is balloon filling. Okay, so that is why it is showing the title as balloon filling. So basically Pabbly Connect has captured the data from Google Task. Now we have to sync this data into Trello to create a card. So to do that, just click on this plus button. So when you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. Since we are interested in making a card in Trello, in the choose app, let's make it as Trello. In the choose method, let's make it as add new card. So add new card is basically an action. There are many more actions like create a board, create a list on a board, get card details, and so on. However, like the triggers, if you don't find the action of your choice, you can request us at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action for you. But at present, I am interested in creating a new card in Trello. So just click on connect with Trello. Okay, in the new credentials, we have 3 blanks to fill: username, API key, and the token. So to get API key and the token, let's go to this part. Click on here. So this is the API key you want. Simply copy this and paste it here. Then let's go back again and click on generate a token. So here you will find the username. Simply copy this and paste it here. Now comes the part called as the token. So scroll down and click on allow. It will generate a token. So a token has been generated. Copy this and paste it here. Okay, so all the fields has been filled. Just click on save. Okay, so basically now Trello is integrated with Pabbly Connect. Before we start mapping in the details, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% secure with us. Okay, so as you can see in the choose board, it is showing DYU. So let me show you my Trello. So these are the boards I have. One is DYU, second is a feature request from something, GitHub issue, Google Task, and so on. So I want to sync all my data into this board called as the Google Task. Okay, there is a board called as Google Task. So I am going to sync all my data into Google Task. So in the Google Task, there are 3 lists: easy task, average task, and tough task. Let me show you. So these are the list I have: easy task, average task, and tough task. Okay, so it is also mapping that detail: easy task, average task, and tough task. So I'm going to send the data to tough task. Now comes the name of the card. In the name of the card, we have to map in the detail that we have got from Google Task. So to map it, just click on this button. This is called as the mapping button. Here we are going to map in the detail that we have received from Google Task via Pabbly Connect. So the name of the card is, let's keep the title, that is balloon filling. Now comes the description of the card. So in the description of the card, we will just map in the, let's say, the time when it was created or updated. So yeah, this one. Okay, so basically all our fields has been filled. Just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing the data has been sent to Trello cards. So let's check in our tough task whether we have, yes, we have a task called as balloon filling, and in the description it is showing the date it was created. Okay, so the presence of this task shows that we have integrated Google Task to Trello via Pabbly Connect. This means anytime a new task is created in Google Task, a new card will be created in Trello. So we have to actually check it if the integration is working absolutely fine or not. So to do that, let's create one more dummy task in Google Task. But before that, let me show you the whole gist of the process. So let's minimize this action window and let's minimize this trigger window. Okay, so basically this is the whole gist. So first you integrated Google Task to Pabbly Connect. Then you integrated Pabbly Connect to Trello. So now there is a perfect flow of data between Google Task and Trello. So let's create one more dummy card in Google. So I'm going to add a task, let's say jumping 100, and add some date time that should be on Saturday. Okay, a task has been created that is jumping 100. So let me show you my task. If there is a task called as jumping 100 in Google Task, in tough task. Okay, the problem with Trello is that it takes appreciable amount of time to create a card, so we will wait. Okay, so after some appreciable time, we have got the task called as the jumping task. Okay, so a card called as jumping 100 has been created in this list called as the tough task. So our integration is working absolutely fine. This means anytime a task is created in Google Task, a card will be generated in Trello.
Not just these 2 apps, you can integrate plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or just visit us at www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.